WXJ70 is about to test.
From the County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. This afternoon, southwest winds 10 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Seas around 2 feet. A dominant period 7 seconds. A moderate chop on the intracoastal waters. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet.
Ready.
A dominant period 4 seconds.
It should go off
A light chop on the
any moment.
waters.
Sometimes a little bit of this.
And thunderstorms. Thursday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming south in the afternoon. Seas around 2 feet. A dominant period 7 seconds.
Any moment.
Moderate chop on the intracoastal waters. Slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning.
There it goes.
Chance of showers.
There it goes.
Chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Thursday night, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. A light chop on the intracoastal waters. Chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Friday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. A moderate chop on the intracoastal waters. Chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Come on, WXJ70 relay.
Friday night, west winds. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Showers likely and chance of thunderstorms. Saturday night, southwest winds 10 to 15
Any
knots.
moment.
Seas 2 to 3 feet. Chance of showers and thunderstorms.
There he goes. There he goes.
Required weekly test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast program.
Nice.
Marine forecast for the following coastal waters from the Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. This
Wow. I can't believe you just called that WRT. Nice.